Welcome back to our channel How to Guide.
In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can delete your Webtoon account in PC. So guys, if you want to delete your Webtoon account, then this video is for you. So let's get right into it. So first of all, you just need to go to this website right here. And once you're in this page, you will see a bunch of comics right here. And you just need to go to this page with your name on it and just go ahead and tap on accounts. You can also see subscribed, comments, creators. We just need accounts, so let's go and tap there. Scroll down. You just need to scroll down till you find this option that says, do you want to delete your account? So guys, just go ahead and tap there, and now it will show you this page. It says here that deleting your account is permanent and will remove all subscription history. So guys, you just need to be careful about that. It also says that if you wish to unsubscribe from receiving email notifications, you can change your settings, and any comment that you have wrote will not be deleted automatically. So if you want to specifically delete that comment, you just need to go to this page. It has shown you to delete any comments before deleting your account. It also says that if you have any coins remaining on your account, that will also be deleted, and that you will also lose access to all digital content, including your unlocked episodes. Once deleted, your access cannot be restored. So if you've read them carefully and you still think you want to delete your account, just go ahead and tick this button that says I understand and want to delete my account. And now you have made this option available that says delete my account. Just tap there, and guys, you successfully be able to delete your Webtoon account. I hope this video was helpful for you. That's how you delete your Webtoon account in PC. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.